Assalamualaikum class 4. Take out your book Amazing Science, unit number 4. Adaptation. All living things grow and change. तमाम जानदार नशोनुमा पाते हैं और तब्दील होते हैं. When an animal or plant change to its surroundings, जब एक जानवर अपनी सराउंडिंग्स में तब्दील होता है, वो से इट हैज़ अडेप्टेड टू इट्स सराउंडिंग्स, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि उसने अपने माहौल को अडॉप्ट किया है. द स्पेशल बॉडी पार्ट्स दैट अ प्लांट और एनिमल डेवलप्स टू अडेप्ट टू particular place or living conditions are called adaptations. जिस्म के ख़ास हिस्से जो एक जानवर या पौधा बनाता है एक ख़ास हालात में रहने के लिए, वो इसकी अडेप्टेशन कहलाती है. Adaptation in animals. Animal is fitted or adapted to live in its surroundings or environment. It is adapted to find food. It is protected from heat and cold. It is protected from its enemies. Some animals have special body parts for protection. जानवरों के पास स्पेशल बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. A tiger has sharp claws and teeth for tearing flesh. A deer has horns for fighting. A tortoise hides in its hard shell. A mountain goat has hoofs for climbing rocks. Hoofs मतलब खुर, पाँव. An eagle has a sharp beak and claws for catching mice and rabbits. A deer has antlers. A tiger has sharp claws and teeth. Claws मतलब पंजे. An eagle has a sharp beak. Beak मतलब चूंच. A mountain goat has hoof. Hoof मतलब खुर. A chameleon changes color. गिरगिट अपना रंग बदलता है. A seagull flies with its wings. An echidna has sharp needles. An echidna has sharp needles. A chameleon changes colors so that it can blend in with its surroundings. The folded wings of a leaf insect look just leaves. A bird has wings to fly. A fish swims in water with its fins, and bees, wasps, and ants have poisonous stings. Animals have special body parts to find food. The beak of a hummingbird adapted for taking nectar from deep inside a flower. A pelican आबी परिंदा. A pelican has a large beak with A mosquito mouth is shaped like a needle to stab the stem of a plant or skin of an animal. A tiger has strong legs to run after other animals. It uses its strong claws, teeth to catch and eat other animals. A giant anteater uses its strong claws to open the nests of ants and termites. Termites मतलब दीमक. Giants के पास strong claws होते हैं. Animals that live in very cold places. Animals that live in very cold places like polar bears, seals and whales have thick fur on their bodies. इनके जिस्म पर heavy fur होती है, बाल होते हैं. They have a thick layer of a fat under their skin which also keeps them warm. इनके जिस्म के अंदर वाले हिस्से पर चर्बी होती है जो इन्हें गर्म रखती है. Animals that live in very hot places. Most animals that live in very hot places like camels, lizards and snakes during the day and look for food at night. दिन के टाइम रेस्ट करते हैं और रात को अपनी खुराक के लिए निकलते हैं. They can store water in their bodies for a long time. They can close their nostrils to keep out sand. रेत से बचने के लिए अपने नथनों को बंद कर सकते हैं. Plants are fitted to live in their surroundings. Plants that grow in very cold places have needle-like leaves. They make seeds inside cones. Plants that grow in very hot places have thick, fleshy stems which can store water. Their leaves are very tiny. They have very deep roots. They have hard, waxy coats and thorns for protection. Plants and trees that grow in forests have broad leaves that fall off in winter. Some plants have a sticky juice or a strong smell so that animals may not eat them. कुछ पौधों की खुशबू बहुत तेज़ होती है जिसकी वजह से जानवर इन्हें नहीं खा सकते. पाइन ट्रीज हैव नीडल लाइक लीव्स। पाइन ट्री के जो लीव्स होते हैं सुई की तरह होते हैं। अ कैक्टस ग्रो इन वेरी हॉट प्लेसेस। कैक्टस बहुत गर्म जगहों पर रहता है। रीड इट केयरफुली। अल्लाह हाफिज़।